straight. It has to be straight, lads. Otherwise you don't get the benefits, you know. Hang on. I think I have done mistake, but it's all right as long it will be strapped. So there we go. Just put it underneath here. This is alright because they are, you know, long. Some of them are small like this, and you have to strap every individual, so this is not bad. Because once he put that, I have to strap them again, that side and that side. I don't know why he didn't put them near the headboard, but maybe that's what they do. Terrible. That's very heavy load. Now I'm going to get there. I have to jump, climb there and then jump again. Wow, that's super heavy. That is heavy. I need at least another 3 straps there. When you are loading like this and heavy, just take it easy, you know, when you drive around the corners and things like that. No rush. Don't be a hero. Yeah, you have to climb there to strap them. I wonder if he's going to put the same on the back. Any more on the back? Any more on the back? The same, yeah? So I will strap this and then move that, yeah? Or what? I need to climb. Oh, yeah, terrible. You have to be light. Look at that. One in the middle. It's a good job I go to the gym.